I have other work. So, anyways, it's about steganography. Are you guys aware of the term steganography? Anyone? What is steganography? Any idea what is steganography? Okay, your steganography means anyone heard of the word steganography? Cannot hear my sound properly. Hiding text in image. Correct. So steganography is mainly hiding an image or text into another medium. Okay. So what happens in encryption? Encryption means you always just scramble the main plain text. Okay. That means your message is still visible to everyone and the receiver, but the thing is they don't understand your message. But what happens in steganography? Your secret message is completely hidden from the outsiders. So if you have a secret message, then you have a medium. You can say it can be image. There can be a cover. Okay. If you are using an image, then it will be a cover image. Then you have a secret image. Then after adding this, you will get a Tago image. Okay, it's called Tago. So steganography is your covert communication. Okay? So it's mainly hiding your text. It can be anything. Okay, it's not necessarily text. It can be your image. It can be text. It can be even audio. The modern day steganography involves the secret can be your image or audio and image, text, anything. But in early days, normally they use just secret image, which will be in the text form. Then that text is hidden inside an image. Again, it can be another digital uh, document too. Okay, if you are using an image, then they will simply hide the secret message inside the image. Then the newly generated encrypted image is known as your Stago image. So in this Tago image, there is no way you will know about your secret message. You cannot see the secret message at all. And in encryption, you can still see your message, right? A encrypted message, everyone can see it. Just that you cannot decipher it. But in case of steganography, you will not know anything about your secret image. So that's the advantage of steganography, that your message is completely hidden from the outsiders. So then there can be. Have you heard of watermarking? You guys know about the watermarking, right? Watermarking. Anyone know what is watermark? Have you seen any images like your uh, Pinterest images and stock images? There are lots of images are there where you can see the logo of a particular company and all. Even in our notes, we see the photo of Mahatma Gandhi, right? So that is your watermark. With the help of watermark, someone can just use it as authentication. That means mainly watermarks are used for copyright protection. If someone to tell that don't use this directly, so they just put some watermark. Now, in case of steganography, the difference is it's completely hidden. You can just think about your watermark thing because the process is almost similar. Okay, in watermark, the same image can be hidden inside another image with the help of steganography. So what happens in steganography? You can hide anything inside an image. You know how many bits are in an image? A pixel? How many bits? 8 bit, correct. So most of the times all images are 8-bit images. Some are 16-bit, but the basic one is your 8-bit. Okay, so in an 8-bit image, suppose okay, so suppose this is your 7-bit image, there should be another one. Okay, so this is your 8-bit image. Okay, now you think what is this term and what is this term? Have you heard about LSB and MSB? What do you understand by LSB and MSB? What is LSB and what is MSB? Least bit. Okay, that's correct. Least significant bit. Yes. So LSB means least significant bit and MSB means most significant bit. So what happens in steganography? You can just change the property of an image by changing the least significant bit of it. Okay, suppose we have different pixel and one pixel contains of 8 bits. Now, since it's a least significant bit, even if you change this value, this zero value, you change it to suppose 1, it's not going to make much difference. Why? Because this is the least significant bit. So in most significant bits, we get the most of our information. So therefore, in case of image steganography, people hide something in the least significant bit of an image. Okay, if you want to hide something in an image, suppose is pixels, and you have to convert your text into bits as well. Okay, so suppose your text is also an 8-bit image and image pixels is also an 8-bit. Okay, so what you are going to do, suppose there are again various methods. Either you can change the first LSB, or you can change the second to LSB, or you can use the third to LSB. Most of the times people just stay in the third most position, because if you go before that, the changes will be very visible. Okay, so if you do any changes in this least significant bit, it's not visibly discernible by our normal eyes. Okay, so in steganography, especially in case of image steganography, we just hide something by modifying the least significant bit of each of the pixels. Okay, then there are various algorithms. There is no like definite algorithms for steganography. The two main algorithm is your LSB, least significant bit substitution. Okay, LSB substitution. So what happens here? They are simply modify the least significant bit of an pixel. So again, it's up to you. Some people just change the last one, and some people use the second last and third last. But if you do any modification in the most significant bit, then it will be completely visible. So can you tell me what's the advantage or of steganography over cryptography? Can you tell me the advantage? More reliable, correct? More reliable, and it's more secretive. There is no way you can learn about that something is hidden inside your cover image. Okay, but if you, yes, it's more secure than your cryptography. But there are some disadvantages as well. There are extra overhead in case of steganography. Why extra overhead? Extra overhead means it can hide relatively small number or a few bits of information only. Like in encryption, you can just change the entire plain text. Okay, but if you use steganography, there will be a specific size of your image. So depending on your size of the cover image, the secret image you have to select. Okay, the size of the secret image always have to less than your cover image. Again, the restrictions are that you cannot change the MSB part. You have to do modification only LSB part. Okay. So in this, oh, Anisha, Papa class code. Okay. So there are lots of, the main restriction is the capacity. A few messages can be hidden inside your steganographic image. And if you want to use an audio as a cover image, then again the same thing. Uh, the process will be different. So you can do steganography in using text, using image, or also using the audio messages. Okay, maybe you guys already have seen those kind of apps where your face is there, and when you click the picture, then sound is already available there. There was a mobile before. I'm not sure if that one is still available. Means whenever we click the image and we send it to the other person, whenever the other person receives the image, along with that image, the sound is there. So that's a very modern application of steganography. You cannot see that person, the receiver cannot see that thing, but the decrypting algorithm is at the receiver side. Okay. So similarly, when we embed a secret text into a cover image, we use certain algorithm, right? So same algorithm should be known to the receiver as well. And with the help of that same algorithm, they can extract the message from the stego image. Okay. So if your intruder just get your image, it will have no idea what's inside there. And even if it knows what's inside there, but if they don't have the algorithm, then it will be very difficult for them to extract the text message from the stego image. So most of the times, if some get some stego image, means even in case of the twin tower attack, later they found out that they have communicated through steganography. There was an image of twin tower, and inside that image, the secret text was there that we are going to attack twin tower at that time. Okay. Uh, okay. I guess today I'll just stop here. I have to go to the exam department. So next time we will discuss about steganography more. Okay. So I'll even show you how we can do this simple steganography technique to hide message inside a photo. Okay, very simple one, the most general one. I can show you how you can just communicate secret messages with your friends using images. Okay, and this part is very interesting. However, your subject is not on steganography; it's in cryptography. Anyways, I'll just show some of the tricks. Okay. Okay, okay for today, and thank you. Wait,
Thank you, ma'am.
I take the attendance. Okay, attendance done. Thank you. I'm just ending the meeting
Thank you, ma'am.
here. Okay.